G'day, g'day. Welcome back to episode 5, Washing Dishes Around Australia. We're at Guildford intersection. We've got Guildford Public Hall, some local Guildford traffic, Guildford General Store, delicious coffee in there before, Guildford Family Hotel, Delmenico's, and we're going to do some Guildford dishes. So this morning we had cereal, best to you each morning. We got bit of honey on there, bit of honey today. There's honey on the chopping board. We got some special honey actually. We got some special Phil and Kate's wedding honey that's stuck all over our dishes, meant to be. Spelt incorrectly, obviously, with a picture of a fly on it. And splish splash, let's get washing.